Hello kids, welcome to the ABC challenge. Today we'll play a game with the letters G, H, and I look at the pictures and tell me, which picture starts with the right letter? Are you ready? Let's go! Which picture starts with the letter G? Goat, cat, dog. That's right, G as in goat. Which picture starts with the letter G? Giraffe, elephant, bear. That's right, G as in giraffe. Which picture starts with the letter G? Grapes, apple, banana. That's right, G as in grapes. Which picture starts with the letter H? Hat, sheep, cap. That's right, H as in hat. Which picture starts with the letter H? Car, house, bicycle. That's right, H as in house. Which picture starts with the letter H? Dog, penguin, horse. That's right, H as in horse. Which picture starts with the letter I? Ice cream, strawberry, banana. That's right, I as in ice cream. Which picture starts with the letter I? Ice cube, orange, kiwi. That's right, I as in ice cube. Which picture starts with the letter I? Beach, igloo, building. That's right, I as in igloo. Great job, everyone! You learned the letters G, H, and I keep playing the ABC challenge and you'll be alphabet superstars. See you next time!